Anthropic just shipped an update that fixes the three biggest complaints people had with Claude design, and the part that really matters is what it can now do when you connect it to Claude Code. We're talking about going from describing an idea to a real design to an actual working page without losing your work anywhere in between. So let me break down exactly what changed and why this is a much bigger deal than just another design tool update. I'm the AI voice clone of Fred. He runs an AI-powered online course business, and he makes videos on the latest AI news, so you're always up to date. If you want to learn how Fred made over 5 grand in 48 hours, he's made a free course, link in description. You can also book a free one-to-one call with Fred or a member of the team, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step roadmap for you to get to $10,000 a month and more using AI. Spots are limited. So if you haven't come across this yet, Claude Design is a tool where you describe a design in plain English, and it builds it live right in front of you while you watch slides, landing pages, mockups, posters, basically whatever you actually need for your business. It already had a fast start before this update even landed. Over 1 million people used it in its first week alone, and that's not a small test group quietly trying something out, that's a real signal. That people were genuinely looking for something like this, not just trying it once out of curiosity and forgetting about it a week later. Here's the first big fix, and honestly, I think it's the one most people will skip past, even though it's the most useful piece of this whole update. Claude Design now sticks to your brand every single time across every project you work on, not just the one you set it up in. You bring in your colors, your fonts, your logo once, and from that point forward, it uses them automatically every single time after that, without you having to re-explain your brand from scratch. Every time you open a new chat, it can even pull your design system straight from a GitHub repo, design files, or raw uploads you give it. Before this update, every new project basically started from zero. You'd ask for something professional looking, it would guess at what that meant for you specifically, and you'd spend the next 10 minutes fixing colors that were close but not quite right. Now it actually checks its own output against your real brand before it even shows it to you. And for bigger teams, an admin can lock one single approved design system for the whole company, so every person's output stays on brand no matter who's actually typing the prompt that particular day. No more back and forth in the group chat about the wrong shade of blue showing up again. Second big fix, you can now edit directly on the canvas instead of typing out every single change in the chat window. Before this update, if you wanted to move a button or make a piece of text bigger, you had to describe it in words and just hope it landed exactly the way you pictured it in your head. Now, you click on the actual element and adjust it like you're using a normal everyday design tool, dragging things around where you want them. Small tweaks. You click directly on that piece and leave a quick comment. Bigger structural changes, the kind that affect the whole layout, you still type that out in chat where it makes more sense. So you're not rewriting an entire page just to fix one headline that's slightly off, you're pointing at the exact piece you want changed and adjusting only that, which sounds small on paper but actually saves a huge amount of back and forth once you're using it for real work. By the way, if you want to learn the exact system I've used to make over 5 grand in 48 hours using AI and online courses, I've made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I did that step by step so you can just copy me. The link is in the description below. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below. And here's the part I think actually matters the most out of everything in this update, more than any of the other fixes. Claude Design now syncs with Claude Code. So if you build a design and then decide you want it turned into an actual working website or app, you don't have to start over from scratch in a completely different tool. You move between the two and your work stays connected the entire time you're moving back and forth. Think about what that actually solves for the average person running a business. Plenty of people get a great looking mockup made, feel good about it, and then realize they have to either pay someone else or learn to code themselves just to turn that mockup into something real and actually functional that people can use. This update closes that exact gap. You go from idea to a finished design to an actual working page without losing your work somewhere in the handoff between two completely separate tools and starting over. On top of that, it now connects to a list of tools you're probably already using, places like Adobe, Canva, Gamma, Miro, Replit, Vercel, and Wix, with more reportedly on the way. So you can build the first draft fast inside Claude, then push it straight into whichever app your team actually finishes the job in. If your team already lives inside one of those tools for final touches and collaboration, you're not being forced to abandon that. You're just skipping the slow part at the very beginning. Here's a simple way to actually picture this in action. Say you run a small business and you need a new landing page or a sign up page. The old way, you'd open up a design tool, scroll through templates, swap out text, and fight with fonts for 20 minutes before you even get something usable. The new way, you describe what you need, it builds it on the canvas with your brand already applied automatically. You click to tweak a couple of things and you're done in minutes instead of hours, then you push it wherever it needs to go to get finished and published. Now, I want to be really clear about something here. This isn't replacing a professional designer for big, complex projects. It's genuinely not built for that. And I'm not going to pretend otherwise, just to make this sound bigger than it is. But for the everyday stuff, most businesses actually need, on a regular, ongoing basis, a landing page, a flyer, a pitch deck, a sign up page for a community or an event. This is a genuinely massive shortcut that most people running a business will actually use constantly. A year ago, none of this existed in this form at all. You typed a prompt, you got an image back, and that was basically the entire interaction from start to finish. Now you've got a design tool with an actual memory of your specific brand, live editing right on the canvas instead of guessing through chats, a direct connection into real working code that doesn't require a separate rebuild, and links into half a dozen or more apps you probably already use day to day in your business. That's not a small step forward in any sense. That's the gap closing fast between having an idea sitting in your head and having an actual finished working thing sitting in front of you. That real. Customers can use. So here's my honest take on all of this. The bigger trend here isn't really about one single tool winning or losing against another one. That's the wrong way to look at it. It's about how much faster the distance is shrinking between thinking of something in your head and actually having it built and working in front of you. You don't need to know how to code to use any of this. You don't need to know formal design rules either, the kind of stuff that used to take years to actually learn properly. You just need to be able to describe what you want clearly in plain language, and the tools are genuinely getting good enough now to actually carry the rest of the work for you from there. And if you're someone who's been avoiding AI tools up until now because you assume that we're too technical, too complicated, or built for people with a design or coding background that you don't have, updates like this one are proof that excuse is getting weaker every single month that passes. The gap between I have an idea and I have a finished working thing used to be massive, and it's closing faster than most people watching this video probably realize. If you're serious about making money online with AI digital products, I made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I do that, step by step, click by click, so you can just copy me. It's completely free and you can get it by clicking on the link in the description of this video. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below this video.